All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, Luther KPTZ Photo Booth. And boy, we are wrapping up November with an awesome sprint. We had two events yesterday, knocked them all out, a couple drop offs, well, three events total, a couple drop offs, and then one in person event. High school reunion went awesome and everything. Look, so if you're new to the channel, we are KPTZ Photo Booth. We run a photo booth business in San Diego, California. We have selfie booths, 360s, and print activations as well. So if you stumbled upon this and you're not trying to be a photo booth owner and you're looking for some activations, contact us at 619-800-2251 and we'll take care of you there. Now, if you're here for this though, you're thinking about starting a photo booth business, you're sick of that 9 to 5, just want to make some extra income, and I understand that $4,000 a month is a lot of money to some, a little to some. Where I actually got a comment, and it was like, "Wow, only $4,000 a month." I know a guy that does X amount a month. Look, I realize what level I am in. I realize that. Oh wait, I didn't share my damn screen. 1 second, I did it again. Infinite Screen Go. Okay, here's our company website, 619-800-2251 if you need help. This is us. We have selfie booths, 360 booths, and print activations as well. This is us right here. We don't just show up, we create the experience for you. We are a proven 119 reviews on Google. That is no lie. You see it here. Boom, boom, boom. 119, 2,104 views. Yeah, killing it, right? Walk the walk, talk the talk, and also want to talk to you about this. So I got a comment basically saying that, oh wow, 4,000 months really not. It was just a really kind of negative comment, not shit. I don't know. An extra 4,000 a month is pretty great to me. And to a start, I understand that I know photo booth owners that make $1 million a year, and I want to get there. But right now, we're below $100,000, but we're making in a consistent range of $4,000 monthly. And if you can see here, we have some overdue payments, but we're going to end November basically close to 10K. But let me just explain to you what this KPTZ photo booth is, and if you're interested in it, and just what we've made some changes here. So we have a monthly program now. So in this mentorship, in this community, this is a mentorship to launch your photo booth business, or if you have a photo booth business and you need some help, I'm here to help you as well. No fluff, just the exact processes I use to run KPTZ photo booth. What I just already showed you. We still sharing screen? Okay, just making sure. Inside, you'll get, oh, let me save that actually. Review as a client here. Inside, this is what you'll get. You'll get mentorship from me, from the team here, real world guidance to run a clean, professional activation and ethically. You don't have to lie, cheat, or steal to make money. You can just have fun doing business. Design training through Canva, templates are going to be your downfall. I promise you that's the most time consuming of this business and the back and forth with that. So just to see how we do it, how we structure it and everything. And also this is the big one. In person drop off and 360 photo booth contracts valued at $2,000. These are exact contracts I use when I send to an event planner lead to secure the booking and everything like that. So I will give you copy and paste the exact contracts. And this is like valued. We got these read over by a lawyer and everything. So they're good. And then a big thing, let's say you're getting started and you don't know what to charge for your price and you're using chat gpt, you're doing some market research and you're like, oh man, I'm still confused here, what should I start as? Well, me and my team will get with you, mostly me honestly, and we will help you price your services, or we'll give you little guidelines and everything like that. Look, we're not cheap, but we don't want to be cheap. If you have cheap prices, you attract cheap leads, which ends in a very bad experience for you, okay, and the company. Email templates valued at 250 bucks. Awesome email templates that you can just copy and paste so you can be on it and like reply and like have some functions or some systems to communicate with your leads when they're coming in. And then hotline support. This is the big one because dude, the first year of business is scary, but you gotta understand it's just fun. It's fun. Like if you're scared, that means you care about it and it's important to you, and you need to just use that energy and convert it. But we're here to have some hotline support for you. So you get a direct number to KPTZ, not our company number or anything like that. a direct number to two of our customer service reps when things get bumpy, because it's gonna get bumpy. Something, the printer's gonna jam, your photo booth software is gonna crash, and whatever. So if you have the same photo booths as us, which are the like our photo booth supply code ones here, let me actually bring that up. Supply code. This is the exact booths we use. So you have these, we know them pretty well, and we can definitely assist you with talking you through some customer service if they can't, you can't get to them and everything like that. Where I've found where, they're great, but boy, their 24-hour event support is ass. They're like, yeah, we'll help you, and then the event's over. I was like, hey, thanks for finally getting me the fucking answer. So to avoid that, you call me, you explain to me what's going on. Hopefully, you have an iPhone so you can just FaceTime me and I can just talk you through the thing. I do this with operators all the time. So you don't have to worry about that. Let me be your hotline support. So things are going to get bumpy in events or before events. So I'm here to help you with that. And HoneyBook training, that's our CRM. That's what we brought you in here, where we showed you that $9,000 of gross profit. Scroll up here. So some HoneyBook training, got 2 leads I need to respond to that I will after this video. And then, that's really the offer inside the community I show you. There's nothing much yet. We are just recapping. I have in this tab all the, contracts and everything built. But yeah, so how much does it cost? It is here, boom. It is $99 a month. So if you just want to, get your feet wet, give it a try and everything like that, it's $99 a month. Or it's if you want to build an annual and save 58%. Right now, the price is booked at $499. Will increase after 10 members. I'm here to really help you guys make money, because if you guys make money, you stay longer, you tell more people about the group, it benefits everyone. I just want to make you profitable and get you out of this trap, because I see a lot of photo booth owners. I've only been in business for a year, but I'm not new to business. Trust me. And if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you're going to learn a lot. But if you join the photo booth school here, you're going to learn a lot about photo booth school, but the business in general. So that will increase after 10 members to $599. It's 999. I mean, 99 bucks a month right now. Just wanted to announce that to you guys. Let's have some fun. Let's make you some money. Let's go into 2026 prepared and ready to activate and to launch your photo booth business ASAP. Book real clients and start earning consistently. Hey, that's all I had for you guys today. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you had a fruitful and awesome. Let's see here. Let me stop sharing the screen. Awesome. November and December. We were building out our calendar. Hold on, let's see. In December, if I can show you this, we have well, some of the events are not even on here, but we have 22 activations for December already. And then we have 8 in January. So we're gonna keep going, keep growing. We're hoping. Look, right now I can teach you how to make $4,000 a month consistently. One day I'm gonna teach you how to make $10,000 a month, and then another day, another year of practice, more systems that we can build here, and just learn the business more. We're gonna get to that 20,000 a month goal. That's our big goal here at KPTZ. So if you want to learn from us, if you want someone in your corner, business can be so fun when you have support, and that's what this community is for. My name is Luther Palmer, and I hope to see you in there. But just subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll learn a lot there too. Peace.